Hi, I'm student Đặng Hoàng Nguyên Khôi from class MKT20025, and my ID is 1104 775 700. And today, welcome to my assessment-free presentation video, and we are going to explore some external influencing factors on the consumer behaviors. But first, let's go through some background information about my clients. My clients is Beeswrap. So what is Beeswrap? Beeswrap is actually an environmentally friendly food storage business started back in Middlebury, Vermont in USA. And Beeswrap provides customers with reusable and washable beeswax wraps as a sustainable alternative to plastic wraps. Beeswrap aims to the target market of beeswrap are households owns an eco-friendly lifestyle, come from the top and middle class, and they prefer to purchase environmentally friendly products over single-use plastic products. And in the previous assignment, I've provided two recommendations to attract more customers, which are to extend the coverage on multiple social media platforms and to have customer-focused marketing strategies. And today we're going to go through some external factors that might affect the consumer behavior, consumer purchasing decision, and also some recommendations to moderate them. The first factor is reference group. So what is the reference group? Reference group is actually, according to Herbert Hyman, refers to a certain kind of group or community which is used as a point of comparison and or to which is used to set up as a model of behaviors. So there are a few kinds of reference group we encounter in life, such as friends, peers, and family, and we often and in individuals often like compares our action to what they are doing to consider what is that is right or wrong. That's the reference group effects. So how to apply the reference group theory in marketing? Go through some characteristic that might affect the mindset of customers, which are Beeswrap being an eco-friendly product and having a high involvement characteristic. So by creating reference groups with the interest in sustainable products and encourage people to join them, individuals, customers will be affected by the values and beliefs that what the reference group are doing is right. And by that, like individuals, customers will have the same purchasing decision and aim to buy a Beeswrap products. Next up, there are some recommendations to moderate these external factors, like enhancing the interaction between the business and the buyer on social media platforms. For the business, they might become the head of the reference group that that we are encouraging the customer to join in, and create a firm and trustworthy base for the customers. Next up is to expand the coverage on multiple social media platforms. And by that, we can create online communities for interactions. This method is actually means that we are creating reference groups for customers and encourage them to join in directly. And by becoming a member of a reference group, individuals will adopt the lifestyles and the values of that group, and they will own the same interest in sustainable products and decide to purchase our products. Next up is about diffusion of innovations. So according to during talks, diffusion is a process that happens among people in response to learn about innovations. So by that, diffusion of innovation means that when an innovation is communicated, is passed through certain channels over time and and through the members of a social system, it will be easier for them to adopt the innovation. There are many factors that affect the diffusion, which can lead to a less efficiency in adopting innovations. But by moderating the influence of each factors, the customers might be easier when adopting the innovating products. So there are a few recommendations, such as holding workshops for direct interaction, which can approach the early adopters easily and showcasing the benefits of these reps, and also observing the influence factors to moderate. So by that, we can encourage and motivate customer to adopt